Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fiverr for graphic design jobs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Fiverr website or open the Fiverr app. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type graphic design into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the various graphic design categories that appear. Filter your results based on your specific needs, such as style or price range. Click on a gig that catches your interest to view more details. Pay close attention to the portfolio and reviews of the designer. Check the delivery time, pricing, and services included in the gig. If you find a designer you like, click the Order Now button. Choose any additional options if they are offered. Fill in any necessary details or requirements in the order form. Make your payment through the secure checkout process. Once your order is placed, you will be directed to a chat with the designer. Communicate clearly your vision and expectations for the project. Monitor the progress of your order through your Fiverr dashboard. Review the final design once it is delivered. Provide feedback and ask for any revisions if needed. Once satisfied, confirm that the project is complete and leave a review. Explore other gigs or services if you have ongoing design needs. Remember to use the Saved Favorites feature for designers you wish to return to. Utilize Fiverr's messaging system for further inquiries or future projects. Stay organized by tracking your active orders and pending requests on your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.